need to contribute. Me, you, and we. It is our duty. We realize the importance of flight. When we were Swat, the north of Pakistan, we realize the importance of pen and book. Why is it that making thanks is so easy, but going...
Assalamu alaikum. I am Zakir Jan Balti and this is Mala, a ٹیلنٹ student from Girls High School, سرمک. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Mala, tell me, what is your hobby?
Just reading and writing.
What is your future plan?
I want to be a doctor.
Please deliver a speech.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the Rahman and the Rahim, the Lord of the Lord, the King of the Kings, and the Master of the Masters. Respected teachers, parents, and my dear fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is speech of education. Education is one of the most blessing of life and one of its necessities. Dear sisters and brothers, dear fellow children, we must work, not wait. Not just a politician, individual leader. We all need to contribute. Me, you, and we. It is our duty. We realize the importance of light when we see darkness. We realize the importance of our voice when we are kept silent, as one of its Malala said that. When we were Swat, the north of Pakistan, we realized the importance of pen and book when we saw the gun. Why is it that going gun is so easy, but going book is so hard? Why is it that countries which we call strong are so powerful in creating wars, but are so weak in bringing peace? Why is it that making thanks is so easy, but going book is so hard? One child, one teacher, one pen and one book can change the world. Education is only solution. Education first. Thank you.